It's been a whole month living in Dubai in this hotel bedroom, and it's time to move on to my new apartment. And you know what that means, because you probably read the title of this video, and that's why you're here. I'm going to IKEA. This is the situation. I'm gonna have to pick a taxi because they promised me same day delivery, and after paying they told me I wouldn't. So I'm sad. We are finally in my bedroom. I'm gonna show you everything. This is my bedroom. It's actually really nice, and this is all the stuff I bought from IKEA. I'm gonna show you everything and see how I style it. So yeah, I've got one of those plug extensions, these 3 Tupperware pucks, IKEA zip box, and I got this these for my plants, gloves because I don't want to damage my nails, glass bottle, these as well. Then I got a mug, cute. Is it wireless charger? I don't know, it's a smart charger of those. I'm gonna set this into my night table. Usually when I'm home I forget to charge my phone, and I feel like if I just like put it over it, it's gonna be always charged. So yes, I got those two. I always forget to water my plants, so I got this. I bought this rechargeable cells, matching towels. This is another size. Then for my bathroom, these are bed sheets. This is my duvet, pillows, the mattress protector, pillows, 2 big pillow covers. I'm gonna change the curtains as well because I hate these ones. Got this for the hanging clothes, bed set, curtains, these plants. I'm gonna be matching blue and pink with white. This one as well. Bunch. So I'm gonna have one lamp in one of my night tables, and then on the other side I'm gonna be putting this with some candles in this nice glass container. So this is the lamp I got. Okay, we'll see. It's looking good. Then I bought this famous lamp called Father. This is the lamp, and I bought this RGB LED. I've seen this on Pinterest, so I know for sure that's gonna look very nice. Also, I got this cute alarm clock because I don't want to use my phone alarm, and I think I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna see. Then the second gem is this table. This lamp is gonna go in here, and my intention is to put this in orange, so I feel it's gonna, or maybe pink, as I have the other stuff in pink. I'm not sure. Look at this beautiful plant. I hope it stays alive. I bought this automatic watering thing. It's been a week. I had to come back to IKEA. I needed a couple of things more, like the walls were very empty, and I felt like I needed to add like a picture frame that, by the way, we are gonna design together in the next video. Also, I needed new bed sheets and a couple more things that I forgot last time. So are you guys ready for the final reveal? Look at this. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not 100% convinced with the blue bed sheets. Last time I bought white ones, and I felt like buying a blue ones would be a good fit for the room, but I feel like they don't go with the furniture, and that's something I cannot change because it's included in the bedroom. But I still think long term, I'm not gonna be living in this apartment forever, so I feel like I needed to buy some stuff that I later will be using in my future apartment, whatever it is. These are the picture frames I got. There's one missing in here. I messed with the sticker, so I will have to come back and buy it. But these are the picture frames, and I want to design something for them myself. So if you have any idea on what to do in here, leave a comment down below. The best idea is gonna be the design I'm gonna do, and it's gonna receive a shout out in my next video. Okay, you guys, look at this. How cool is this? So we made it till the end of this video. The bedroom is not finished yet for sure, but I definitely feel that I'm starting with a good base. I wanted to create a cozy space for me to feel comfortable. So I'm definitely going to keep you updated with the bedroom changes. I'm gonna dedicate a whole video to do an apartment tour, maybe introduce you to my roomies if that's something that they are up to. I'm so happy to be sharing the apartment with them. They're making my Dubai experience a whole new thing. I can see how my mental health improved compared to when I was in my hotel bedroom. I have someone to talk to when I get back home, someone to share my good days but also my bad days. So I would really recommend, at least at the beginning, if you're moving to a new country, go find someone to share the apartment, because it's gonna be your experience 100% better. Of course, if you get along well with those people, and they're nice people actually, but if you find the right person, they can make the whole experience a new thing. If you guys are up to this future video, I can also explain you how I found this apartment, which is actually a co-living company that is only dedicated to women. Danielle, who's behind this, she's such a lovely girl. She helped me through all this process. She made things easier when it comes to the currency paying. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking for now, but let me know if you guys like this video. I can't wait to see what design posters I'm gonna come up with for the picture frames. I see you in my next video. Bye.